and today's development, of course, it will be remembered forever. I wish all of you, your friends, your family members, your countrymen, Japan is a beautiful country. And your health is very good always. How you maintain your health? It's a matter of lesson, it's a matter of learning. And beautiful rivers, beautiful forests, beautiful water bodies, what not? Beautiful hills. You have everything with you. But some sad story is also there because of World War. Nagasaki, Hiroshima. That is also there. But you rebuild Japan like anything. And it is really, our students also, they love to go to Japan and to study. They go for research. They go for their future in Japan. May I quote Rabindranath Tagore, what Bengal always believed, now also, and it will be forever, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. And that's why there is no boundary limitation. Maybe you are different country, we are different country, but our heart is same, our blood is same, and we love each other because this is the humanity and this is the spirit of India and spirit of Bengal also. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Domo arigato gozaimasu. That means thank you very much. Thanks a lot for coming over here. You have taken too much travel to come over here. But we love all of you. And certainly when you personally, all the university professors, dignified people, you came here. So if you have the heart, we have the heart also. I can assure you next year I must visit your university to convey, to reciprocate our love and our heartful thanks to your university. And there will be a scope to visit Japan also. There are so many sweet, sweet things. I love to continue my life not as a VIP but as a LIP, means less important persons. That is our life, and that will continue up to my last breath. And always I feel proud that I born and brought up in Bengal. I salute this land. I salute the people of Bengal. I salute the teachers, professors, bassists, chancellors, educationists, doctors, farmers, workers, my beloved students, and all. May God bless all of you. Thank you so much. Joy Bangla.
মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে আমাদের কৃতজ্ঞতা ধন্যবাদ। I will now request the Chancellor of Sister Nivedita University, the organizing collaborator with Okayama University of this program, Sri Shottam Roy Chaudhary, to propose a formal vote of thanks, which I would request all of you to carry with applause, please.
Very good evening, Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, our beloved Didi, Sri Bratto Basu, Minister in Charge, Department of Higher Education and School Education, Government of West Bengal, Dr. Manoj Pant, Honorable Chief Secretary, Government of West Bengal, Sri Rajiv Kumar, Sri Manoj Kumar Verma, Sri Binod Kumar, Professor Chiranjeev Bhattacharya, Professor Ashutosh Ghosh, Sonali Chakraborty. I like to convey my sincere thanks to all of you for your presence. respected dignitaries from Okayama University and Okayama City, Japan, Dr. Yasutomo Nasu, President of Okayama University, and the entire team of Okayama University and Japan. Distinguished guests from Japan and India, members of academia, my colleagues, friends, and my beloved students. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my profound honor and privilege to extend the vote of thanks on this stage. Today, we have witnessed a historic moment that celebrates not only an individual, but her idea, her vision, and her indomitable spirit. The conferring of the honorary delete upon our revered Chief Minister by the prestigious Okayama University of Japan in recognition of our contribution to governance, education, social empowerment, and culture is not merely an academic honor, but a tribute to an individual leadership that inspires an unmatched compassion that unites and an unstoppable courage that transforms. Honorable Chief Minister, our beloved Didi, under your dynamic and inclusive leadership, Bengal has risen a beacon of progress and culture. You have shown the world that true leadership lies not in power, but in empathy. This recognition reflects how Bengal, since time immemorial, as a land of resilience, creativity, and compassion, has found an echo in the hearts of people across the world. I extend my deepest gratitude to Okayama University for bestowing this prestigious honor upon our beloved Didi, and for strengthening the bond between India and Japan, a bond rooted in mutual respect, learning, and shared values. My heartfelt thanks to the Japanese delegation, the officials and scholars, to everyone who made this meaningful event possible. To the organizing team, the members of the press, and all who worked behind the scene, thank you for your dedication and tireless effort in ensuring the success of today's ceremony. I'd like to thank Dona Ganguly and team, and I'd like to thank the team of Sister Nivedita University, Rabindra Bharati University, and Vishwa Bharati University for their performance. May the friendship between the India and Japan continue to flourish like the cherry blossoms that bloom with grace and the banyan tree that stands for wisdom, the symbol of our shared pursuit of harmony and enlightenment. And finally, to the Honorable Chief Minister, I humbly bow before your supreme leadership as a citizen of this beautiful state and as an admirer, as I express my heartiest congratulations to you. Have a good evening, everyone. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you very much. That brings us to the close of this very special afternoon. I would request all of you to kindly be in your seats till the Honorable Chief Minister and the other dignitaries, they leave the dais and proceed, and after which you can gradually leave the auditorium. Thank you very much.